guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 17th video tutorial in the Python series, and in this video I'll explain you about lambda functions. So lambda functions can be considered as anonymous functions which can have any number of arguments as parameters, and but it will return only one value. So for example, whenever we want to define any lambda function, we can write it as lambda and then one parameter, and the task which we have to do will be specified here. Here I'm using one parameter, but you can use as many as you want. Here I'm using this lambda function to just add 10 to the value which we pass. So now when we want to access this lambda function, we can simply write x of 5, and what this will do is this will add 10 to the value of 5. So now if we check it, we'll get the output as 15. So this is the way in which we define lambda functions, that is we pass the parameters and then we assign the task which has to be done. And we need to remember that here only one expression can come. You can't write more than one expressions here. For example, now I'll define y equal to lambda of b a comma b, and here I'll write a plus b. And now if I want to print y of, I'll write 3 and 2. So here the value of a will be 3 and the value of b will be 2, and what this lambda function does is add both the values. So our output should be 5. So let's check that. We see that our predicted value is correct, which is 5 here. So this is the way in which you can define your lambda functions and use them. The use of lambda function mainly comes when we want to use some anonymous functions in some other functions. For example, we have defined one function here, but in that we are defining one more anonymous function, then we can use lambda. I'll explain you in the later videos about how we can use that. But that's it about lambda functions in this video. Thanks for watching my videos. Hope to see you in the next. Thanks. Bye bye.